DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan. And today we're going to talk about more maintenance on your vehicle. And this right here is more one that you got people from all over have different things to say about it. But this is about transmission service. Transmission service is one of those things we say around every 50,000 miles for most vehicles. And most of this because we live in a severe climate here in Michigan with the hot and cold and everything else. And you think about transmission fluid, transmission oil, think about oil in anything, right? It will help cool, it will help lubricate, and then will help clean. And one of the things that it happens over time, it does break down. And so we want to make sure that the oil that you have in your transmission, the transmission fluid, that we do an exchange on that so that it will stay where it can clean, where it can keep lubricating, and they can cool the components that it is surrounded with. Now, we will only carry the Dexos brand GM transmission fluid, and for your vehicle, we want to make sure you have the right fluid in it. So come see us for your transmission fluid exchange if you're around 50,000 miles or so. Again, Bill Garnett, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan.